Do you have a minute? Want to learn how to keep your food benefits from being stolen? Let's talk about EBT Card Lock and Unlock. EBT Card Lock and Unlock will help keep your benefits safe. To use Card Lock and Unlock, download the ConnectEBT app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Then sign into your account. Tap the Lock Unlock card banner on the home screen. Select Lock My Card Everywhere, then OK. Your card is now locked. Tap to return to the home screen, and you'll see a closed lock icon. When you're shopping and ready to use your card, you can quickly and easily unlock your card and use it. Just open the ConnectEBT app and sign in. Then tap the Lock Unlock card banner on the home screen. Select Unlock My Card, then OK. Your card is now unlocked. As soon as you finish shopping, lock your card again by using the app. For more tips on keeping your benefits safe, go to our website, jfs.ohio.gov.